Dinner is served, madam.
Ooh, I can cook that. This was the epitome of fancy food in 1993, and I've been dying to know what that sauce was since I was a kid. Start by simmering peeled whole carrots in about a ½ inch or so of water. Then give the carrots a quick hit of salt to bring out their natural sweetness and add flavor to the water. Simmer the carrots while turning occasionally for even doneness for about 15 minutes. About halfway through, drizzle warm honey over the carrots to create a light glaze. Then remove the carrots from the skillet but leave any remaining liquids in the pan. Next, we can add some shrimp to the skillet and season them with enough cayenne pepper to potentially accidentally kill any suitors on a nice date with your ex-wife. Plus, some lemon juice for a tangy revenge. Now, the thing that I most wanted to try from this plate was the sauce. And a deep dive on Reddit led me to conclude that it's something called a Marie Rose sauce. It's made by combining mayonnaise, ketchup, Tabasco sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and lemon juice. And to me, it basically tastes like a Thousand Island dressing. Finally, we can plate up cooked spinach and garlic basil noodles. This fresh fettuccine was the closest I could find to green and white noodles locally. And ladle on the Marie Rose sauce and place some shrimp to top it all off. Add the honey-glazed carrots to the plate along with a bit more of the sauce for extra fancy 90s dinner appeal. I'm not sure what Mrs. Doubtfire was attempting to make prior to ordering Valentis for takeout, but considering this whole dish came together in about 30 minutes, I think it almost may have been easier to make it from scratch. And it probably would have saved $135 in rush delivery fees too. All I know is that this dinner was the pinnacle of extravagance to my childhood mind all the way back when I first watched the movie when I was only 4 years old. And I have been dying to eat these carrots and sauce ever since. What fictional feast should I make next? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked this video, don't forget to flip that sub button and ring the dinner bell so you can be notified of my latest recipes and foodie adventures that I post every week. Do you ever get hungry? You can find this recipe and many more with ingredient amounts and step-by-step instructions over on thestarvingchefblog.com. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next episode.